Hi, I'm Paul Block and I make the block knife sharpener. Today I'm going to show you that the block sharpener will get down in between every tooth when you sharpen it, on the front side and the back side. This blade's still a little bit wet. I put a little bit of green paint on it, Y green, and it had black paint. I was going to use a Sharpie, but my Sharpies were dried up, so I couldn't use a Sharpie on it. So I said, heck with it. I'll spray it green. I'm going to prove to you that it does work. My sharpeners are very quick and simple to use. Stand it up, leave one rod off the floor, off the ground a little bit. And when you roll through, you get one side. When you back it up, you're getting the other side. What I do is I rock it back and forth. I get it to vibrate. And you can hit it hard. You're not going to knock the teeth down. You can see that shine, how it followed every tooth now. And then here's the back side. Look real close. Are you getting that on camera? Move the camera around different angles. I can see it from where I am. If you come this way more. Okay. And then it follows every curve right into the entire tooth, and you're not wearing the teeth down. You should be able to get them right into a shaving sharp. No metal coming off. Yeah, let's grab some good paper here. There it is. Block sharpener. We will sharpen your serrated edge knife.